Hi everyone. For a geometric sequence with our second term is 3 and our fifth term is 81, we're going to find the value of our 10th term. So what we want to do is find our common ratio. We don't know our first term, but we can find our common ratio by looking at, let A be the first term and R be the common ratio. Then we're using this formula, and I'll write it a little bigger so you can see it. We need to find R, and that we are given our second term. So our second term is going to be A times R, and your N is 2. So this is going to be 2 minus 1. And this is going to equal AR equals 3. All right, and we're going to call this equation 1. All right, for the fifth term, we have A sub 5 equals A times R, 5 minus 1. That means this equals A R to the power of 4. This equals 81. Now what I want to do here to solve for R is take our second equation, this is our second one, and divide it by our first one. So this is going to be, let's look at this, A sub R divided by 4 divided by A sub R, and this is going to be 81 divided by 3. So what happens is we get the A's cancel, and we get R cubed equals 27, or 3 cubed. You write it as 3 cubed, you can just set our 3's together, so R is 3. Since our 3's match, then that R has to be 3. Alright, since R is 3, then that means if our second term is 3 and you divide it by 3, our first term has to equal 1. Therefore, our 10th term equals your first term, which is 1, times your common ratio, which is 3, and then our 10th term is going to be 10 minus 1. This is going to equal 3 to the power of 9. And you can simplify that if you want, but I'll just leave it like that because that's a big number. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.